It all started 200,000 years ago when the human race emerged. We didn't know what to do or what to expect. All we knew was that we had to survive, somehow, some way. As villages to towns to cities emerged, as the human population grew, things took a terrible twist. This is what has become of our wild brothers and sisters. Soon enough, images like these will never be seen again. Admire them while you still have the chance. This is the sad reality. All these adorable little creatures leaving our planet. For what reason? At what cost? This is what the current future looks like if we don't do anything to stop it. However, an alternative future is possible with your help. This is what the future could look like, bright and full of hope and adorable animals to play with.